Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Creative Careers. And if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button because I make content regarding all sort of design fields and how you can make your career out of it with colleges, without colleges, or how to crack these design entrance exams. So let's begin. Today's topic is for about Indian classical dance forms for SEED, USEED, NID, and NIFT. Let's begin. There are three main types of Indian dance. One is classical. In classical only there is neoclassical, pre-classical, but classical itself is a dance form which contains 8 dance in it. Next one is folk dance, which is divided like region wise, like in some areas some dance is made, for example, during the while sowing the seeds the farmers used to dance. That dance is called different in some areas, like during festival times in Gujarat and all, you play dandiya and garba. These are the folk dance of that area, like Gujarat area, right? Like you have Ghumar in Rajasthan. So these are folk dances. Then you have new modern age dances, or you can say it as Bollywood dances, which are choreographed by choreographers. And today's topic is all about classical dance. There are 8 types of classical dance. These are the dances which are mentioned in the old Indian ancient scripts. Dance is a form, these are specially mentioned in the Natya Shastra, and these dance forms usually tell a story, or they will express all the things with their facial expressions, and they have their own features in them. And these classical dance are always taught by a teacher, and he is called as a guru. One who learns is a shishya, and they have particular steps for everything, like it has to start in a certain way. The first one is, and most important one, is Bharatanatyam. Its origin was from Tamil Nadu, and Bharatanatyam was the dance done by Devadasis, which means they in all ancient period they used to give girls to the temples, and they used to be called as a Devadasis, but that system came into a very bad reputation in current days, so they ended that Devadasis system. But Bharatanatyam, it was originated from Tamil Nadu, and as it was done by Devadasis, it was also called as Dasiyattam. You need to memorize these things, and I recommend watching this video often, or memorizing by yourself, or make a note of it and keep revising at least once a week till your exam. Then Kathakali, its origin was from Kerala, but Kerala's top part is called as Calicut region. So Kathakali was a dance which came in this region. Next one is Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi is a dance came from the Krishna district or Kuchipudi area, Kuchipudi village of Andhra Pradesh, and the dance origin is from Andhra Pradesh. This was the dance done for Krishna, and earlier it was only done by men, and now even women are doing this art form, and it's very rich in culture, and it's one of the prominent dance of Andhra Pradesh. It resembles something very similar to the face of what you call as Yakshagana as well. The next one is Mohiniyattam. Mohiniyattam is a dance done in the coastal region of Kerala. This is also a dance form in the Kerala, and this was done to show the how Parvati or the Devi Kali Devi, she cleared the evil, and this dance is performed to show that, and this is done in Travancore area of Kerala. Next one is Satriya. This is Satriya or Satriya is classical dance form of Assam, and classical dance form of Assam. This is done to show your bhakti to the god. Or then next one is Odissi. This is very easy to remember. Odissi, Odisha. Its origin is from Odisha. This is also one of the classical dance forms of India. Then Kathak. Don't get confused. Kathakali is from Kerala, and Kathak is the major North Indian dance style. And it is done in various parts of North India, and it has its own specializations in certain areas, and those specializations are called as gharanas. Like there is Lucknowi Gharana, there is Raj Gharana. Then these have various features among them, these gharanas. So this is the major dance form of North India, done most of the northwestern part of India. The next one, the last one is Manipuri dance, which is a classical dance, and it's done in the Manipuri area, which is the eastern of the country. Right? They have three main dance forms: the Satriya, the Odissi, and Manipuri, eastern India. So hope we are done with the classical dance forms. This will be in the this can come in the form of GK or first type questions in your NID, NIFT, and SEED and USEED exam. Hope this will help you. Thank you. Please hit the subscribe button if this has helped you.